it's rainy, I have to evacuate! Ah! Woo! Oh, yo, what's up? I'm in the mall, guys. I don't know where is this rain is coming from, seriously, like. Oh, hello world. My name is Damian, I'm from TheMonkeys. Happy beginning of the vlog. It's very rainy today. I don't know where is this rain come from, but it's super rainy. And I think the mall is really the best place to be now. Check this out. This guy is working hard because the water is coming inside to the shops. We don't want to have a water in full and bare, right? So that's the big props for this guy. It's really rainy, so badly. Whew. Rainy season in Bali. But it's raining already for a while. Ah, thunders. I think the best spot now to be is the mall inside, definitely. That's for sure. Whew. Anyway, mall life. Today in Beach Walk. That's the biggest mall in Bali and probably the best mall in Bali so far. Even the water is going out from this shop where is the fish pond. That's serious problem actually. It's raining like this for 20 minutes and the water is coming already to HM. That's really serious problem. Anyway, I will show you a little bit around the mall today. So we are in the Beach Walk Mall today. It's very rainy, so I think this is the best place to be. I think I already said once. It's quite busy because obviously all the people come to the mall right now. And I will show you a little bit around because many people also ask me to show you around this mall, and it's the brand new wing of the Beach Walk Mall. This is the biggest mall in Bali, and also they make extra additional room. It's really huge now and many new shops around. I will show you now. This is nice actually. Rain is coming from the roof, putting water to the tree outside. Very rainy still indeed. And this is the brand new lobby to the new wing of the mall, and some new French cafe, pastry. Well, whew, I really like the rain in Bali. So this is the new wing and new shops, like a bamboo, and there is also Mark & Spencer, which is big surprise. Here will be the beautiful garden, patio, probably some restaurants can be here. Agent does over there, but also interesting fact will be the new hotel, Aloft, which is the Marriott group. It's not open yet, but it's gonna be very soon. That's actually good alternative to the Sheraton, and yeah, it's very rainy here. So let me show you the brand new wing because this is something very new, open like a few weeks ago just, so enjoy. Few shops, like a standard Oakley surf shop, stuff like this, but also there will be nice garden over there, hotel, some new cafe, still room for the new businesses around. Cotton On, I don't know actually what is it. That's for some ladies I think. Optic, Ripcore, and many still rooms for the new shops. It's quite busy also in the new wing. Actually, really not so bad. Here another beautiful Deus Ex Machina, my favorite brand, but they never give me anything for free, so we're not gonna show them inside. They already deserve as I wear their t-shirts time to time. Little joke, little sarcasm. Nice shop here, some cosmetics, things like this. Everything is brand new, fresh, looks fancy. This is exactly what is going in the plan of the officials, as everything must be fancy now in Bali. But one thing, I really like this kind of roof trees decoration. I don't know actually how does it work, but looks actually pretty nice. There is some nice cafe. It's rainy, but everything, these buildings at the front, they are hotel. And that's actually pretty interesting concept of the city hotel connected to the mall, but with the actually pretty nice view. Many countries around the world have like this, but this one is, I like it. And also over there is different brand of the hotel, it's called Cielo Hotels. Interesting, really interesting. And they also have a Samsung shop here. Now in Bali they have a Samsung shops, official retailers, so you don't need to be worried about the scams anymore. If you're Samsung fan, I prefer Apple, but yeah, anyway. Rain didn't finish at all. It's still. Here we go, here is the Mark & Spencer. This is the new from England. This is the British brand, very popular in UK. something very fresh in Bali I never saw before, and I think this is the first outlet. Looks pretty cool, however I don't really I don't really care, but if you love shopping and love mall, that's definitely very interesting. And the new wing starts next to Sephora, and this is the Apple shop also, and Johnny Rockets. Everybody knows Johnny Rockets in Beach Walk, so you know how to navigate. Here is the one of the official upper resellers, and it's actually quite busy inside. This is big surprise. So many people in Indonesia have money to buying the Apple products, but Apple never opened the official shop in Bali or in Indonesia at all. This is the quick look from the mall to the Poppies Lane 2. They nearly get flooded already here, and yeah, still Poppies Lane 2 empty. Let's go to the see more on the top. Adidas, eyewear, you can buy the Ray-Bans, some sports section here, Puma outlets, Skechers. Just quick little stroll around, you never know. That's so happy as I can show something different than empty street today, but well, that's actually nothing surprise, because I already said many times as the malls are busy. Next to Burger King, actually this is the food section, and it's little bit busy. This is the Burger King outside sitting. I think not really good to sit outside. They have a H&M now in every mall in Indonesia also. Training already for a longer while. This is Sheraton at the front. I think I have to stick to the mall today, definitely. This is the third and last floor in the Beach Walk Mall, and I'm extremely super surprised as the food court is gone. They closed this, sorry for the inconvenience. I have no idea why it's like that, but it's so strange. And it's also very wet here on this floor. Look at the floor. The roof, I think, is leaking. I think this is the last wing part of the mall to show you around. It's actually not as that busy as it was last time in level 21. However, different kind of people coming here, I guess. Rain still, unfortunately, still rainy. Yeah, you can comment below. What do you think about this mall? I think many of you are very familiar with this mall, because many comments I got last time to show you around exactly this specific mall in Bali. Well, it's definitely probably the nicest mall. So basically the malls and the beach clubs, this is the place where you can always find people in Bali. That's nothing has changed, the rest will be super empty. And this is just the confirmation, another confirmation. Little look for the Kuta beach during the big rain. Still many bikes, but well, as you can expect, not many people, but many people inside the cafes around, especially Starbucks. Okay guys, that was the quick vlog from the Beach Walk Mall, the biggest and the most fancy vlog in mall in Bali. You can comment below what do you think. Have you ever been here? I believe many of you have been in this mall. It's established in 2012. If you've been in Bali before 2012, you don't know this place. Anyway, you can comment below what do you think. The rain is actually going to be a little bit lower, but let's see, it can change dramatically in a few seconds.
A few moments later.
Wow, what's going on here? Check this out. Ooh, that's a really big stormy weather. It's definitely worse than it looks like from the camera, but the rain is so strong and wind is so scary. It's coming from the ocean actually. Wow. Like this morning, this afternoon, and I will see you tomorrow. See ya, take care.